आज की इस सिलचर सायरंग की ट्रेन सर्विस से यात्रियों को बहुत लाभ होगा और विशेषकर मिजोरम के सायरंग से कनेक्ट होगा सिलचर, इससे बहुत बेनिफिट होगा।
Sairang to Silchar passenger train will improve rail connectivity between Mizoram and the Barak Valley of Assam. It will provide daily commuters, students, and people with medical needs a safe, fast, and comfortable journey. Today, new passenger facilities at Guwahati railway station are also being inaugurated. Modern sleeping pods, lounge facilities, multi-cuisine restaurant, and safe, comfortable, and hygienic resting spaces. These facilities will improve passenger comfort and provide railway passengers at Guwahati a refined and enriching travel experience. With visionary guidance from Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the Northeast is achieving unprecedented levels of development and connectivity, as a developed Northeast is a pre-undergoing for a developed India.